Behind me, that is the cow by the names of Miss Norway. This marked the beginning of our cooperation with Miss Beaten Shy. That is in 2005 when she came and visited us here. She bought us this cow with her friend Miss Norway. The first Miss Norway that we had got sick, and we decided to sell it before it died. Then we replaced it with that one, and it has given birth to Sunove. Miss Norway is a very important cow in our project because it has been successful. It is through Miss Norway that we have got all the different other cows that we have in our project. Women are very happy. They have gained a lot in these cows. They have got they have managed to get other cows, and they have given birth, and they have very many women have managed to get milk. They are selling the milk, they are paying school fees for their children, and it's really a big project and expanding. Women are very proud of Beaten and her friends. They have really helped us to develop. We are really so proud of them, and we are looking forward that because our families, our children have been able to go to school because of Miss Beaten Shy and her friends. They have helped us a lot, and we are really very grateful.